What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Maxibach here with a brand new video. This is going to be a quick little video here. As you can see, I got the Alcatel Pulsemix there in front of me. Now, you can also see that it says plus the snapback power, which is this thing here. Obviously, extra. That's not really extra battery. It's just an extension to the battery that you already have built into the device itself. The size of this battery, let's see if it gives me any indication. Okay, this one is 3100 milliamps. So you got 2800 milliamps built into the phone, and you got 3100 milliamps built into the external battery. Now, before we go any further here, this is supposed to be an unboxing, but what actually happened is the file got corrupted. I don't know what happened. I was recording this with the G5 Plus, and for some particular reason the file was corrupted. I couldn't do any type of editing, none of that. So I had to just go ahead and delete it and shoot this for you guys. So here he is, or here we are, the Alcatel Pulsemix. Let me go ahead and get back and just cleaned up a little bit for you. The actual build of this phone here is what surprised me the most. I wasn't expecting it to have like a metal body. Now, don't get me wrong, it's not a metal unibody, but it is a metal body because the actual cover or back cover for the phone is like it's pretty much a metal in my opinion. It's metal. It has to be metal. Of course, you got a Cricket logo, Alcatel brand on the back. It also has USB Type-C, and you can see this little grill on top here. It's actually, the grill itself is not for like speaker or playing music or anything like that. Excuse me, it is for a speaker. It's for an ear speaker. But the bottom of the phone, you ever seen that before? You can get that focused. That is where the actual music comes firing from, which is interesting. It's in the center of the phone. Not interesting in the fact that it's bottom firing, but it's in the center. But when you look at things, the USB Type-C port is on the right side of the phone, so I mean, where else should you put it at? Sorry about that, guys. Got a little caught up here. Whew. Let me sit back down. Got a little chair now. But I'm not sure what I was getting into exactly with here with the Alcatel Pulsemix, but I think I was referring to the bottom of the phone having like this, the center of the phone actually being a speaker. But anyway, has a headphone jack. You can see there. Whoa, almost dropped the phone. I'm shooting this video with an awkward angle today for some reason. 8 megapixel camera in the back with LED flash. You got a 2 megapixel camera in the front, 2 in the front with a LED flash as well. On the front of the device, you got your home button there. As you can see, is clearly the home button. And your back and multitasking key is actually capacitive buttons, which actually light up, which is kind of cool. For the, I mean, because I want to get into the processor, but because I want to show you guys immediately what I saw. But on the right side of the device, you can see you get a power button that is rigid. You see it's rigid there, and you get your volume up and down keys. Now, let me go ahead and get into CPU Z really quickly. I want to show you guys. Okay, check it out. So it says here that this is running a MediaTek, if they can focus, MediaTek 6755, clocked at 1.51 gigahertz. It's 8 cores, but it shows here that 6 out of 8 of the cores are stopped, while 2 of them are still working. Is that like a smart feature? Okay, now it's showing that one of them are, or most of them are stopped. All 7 of them, well, 7 of them are stopped, and 2 of them. Now, see what I'm talking about? It's kind of weird. Is that like a smart feature to save battery life? It's kind of interesting to me. I'm not sure what the hell is going on. I shouldn't be cursing, but it's the weirdest thing ever. You can see that. But it has the Mali T860. 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigabytes of internal storage. It does have a micro SD card slot for expandable memory, so you can put an SD card in there. The screen itself is 5.2 inches. It's a 720p screen, 320 pixel Sorry about that. Lisa woke up. Sister had to go take care of that really quickly. Bumpy cam. Sorry about that, y'all. This is going to be an interesting video. Now, in the comments, let me know if the CPU does that just because it wants to save power consumption. Weirdest thing ever. Doesn't make any sense to me. But it's running Android 7.0 Nougat. Security patches for May of 2017, earlier this year. The battery itself is 2,800 milliamps. Sensors, don't really care about that. But I haven't done a Geekbench or anything like that. That's gonna come in like first 48 hours impressions. The phone itself is pretty cool. I got all my information in it, of course. I'm actually downloading some music onto it now. I put an SD card in here for adaptable storage. Yeah, everything is working pretty smoothly here. I don't really have any complaints about it yet. I have not put this battery or case here on the back of the phone. I just want to make this video here really quickly to show you guys I do have this phone here. It's not an unboxing, it's pretty much a first look. So, like I do in any other videos, let me know if you want to see anything in particular here with this device in the comment section below. That'd be much appreciated. Like this video. If you haven't liked it already, be scared to subscribe to the channel. I'm just kidding. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Let's see here. It always kills. Let me talk about this here really quickly, guys. It always like kills me when I see like companies. They will have like a shell for the case here. Let me show you guys really quickly. I'm pretty sure if you've seen any videos on Alcatel Pulsemix, you know what I'm talking about. They'll have this here. This hollow piece here. And it's metal. And then when you take it off, the phone looks like this. I mean, it's not a bad looking phone, don't get me wrong, but when you take off the whole back of a phone, you can no longer turn up your music or anything like that. You can't hit the power button or anything like that. It's kind of weird. I mean, you could if you really tried to, but it's still kind of weird. But anyway, enough talking here. Once again, of course, thank you for watching this video here. As you do know, my name is Max the Rock, and you guys have a good day.